Hi families. So today's video is going to be a little different from the other ones. Today would be a point where we normally would review the two new sounds that students learn, and we would do activities to reinforce those new sounds. So that's what we're going to do today virtually. I want to remind our students that over the last couple of days we've learned there are some sounds we use in words that we did not learn about when we learned the alphabet song. And what happens is two of our normal letters get together and they magically make new sounds. So two of the new sounds we've learned, the first one would be the ch sound, the ch sound. And you'll be practicing with this sound today. The other sound that we've learned about is the sh sound, the sh sound. You'll be practicing with that today too. So when you go into your Seesaw account today, I want you to find the activities that I will upload pictures for in ClassDojo for you. And if we're using Google Classroom at this time, then you can find it in Google Classroom. They're going to match what I would like you to do today, and that is practicing the ch and the sh sound, because it's very important that you can tell the difference between the two. So once you've taken care of practicing reading, recognizing, and saying those two new sounds, I want you to also practice spelling those sounds using our magnetic letters, which are in Seesaw, or you can just use a piece of paper and a crayon and a pencil. And families will be reading to you the list of words that I sent for them in ClassDojo or Google Classroom. And remember, when you're spelling those words, I want you to find which sound changes so that you can fix the old word to match the sounds in the new word. You're also going to have some reading practice, so I've uploaded Big Al, which is a very cool story. It's one story that a lot of my friends usually love. It teaches us a great lesson. After you have clicked the link in Seesaw to listen to Big Al, I want you to complete the worksheet that's also attached in Seesaw to answer the questions about Big Al. If you're unable to use Seesaw, you can actually definitely use this activity on a piece of paper and crayon or a pencil by drawing pictures about your favorite part of Big Al, telling me by writing what was the problem and how did Big Al solve it. So what was the problem and how did Big Al solve it? And then finally for math, you're going to watch a math video. And in Seesaw, you are going to practice breaking apart the big number 10. You have gotten to 10 now. So after you've broken apart the big number 10, you can do that on paper too. I want you to practice making number bonds, breaking apart the number 10 multiple ways, and writing math sentences that match your number bonds. You can do that in Seesaw, or you can do it on a piece of paper with your crayon and pencil. I still miss you all, and I hope you are safe and that everyone is healthy. And I'll talk to you later.